That's why you buy an American-made motorcycle, because you can let those American Eagles screech. Fuck yeah! But whoa now, she might not have wanted to crank, but she felt it. She felt the urge, and I've got the urge to ride. Here we go. Once I get over this hill, I'm gonna make sure there's not a cop. I'm gonna open her up, and I'm gonna let the screaming eagles out of the cage. Okay, after this curve, we're about to come heavy. Here we go. Ah, going 70. Woo! 75. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! America! America! Fuck yeah! Oh, yeah, brother! 80 miles an hour on the Sportster 1200 Bad Boy Edition. Woo. Oh man, what a beautiful day. What beautiful temperature outside. We've made it. Woo. I love my motorcycle, and I love America. America! The freedom to do as I please on my motorcycle. What a beautiful day, man. I can't get over it. Whoa, that is why I ride motorcycles, man. Sometimes when you ride, you just get a sudden urge to live a little. You know, if you ride motorcycles, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes you're just riding, just a casual ride, and just enjoying the weather, and then all of a sudden, like a shadow, a cloak of rage and excitement comes over you, and you're like, this is it, I want to ride. And then you just get that adrenaline boost, and you crank down on the throttle, and baby, you hit the road. Oh man, wow, that is it, and that is it. Yes. Woo, buddy, that's why you buy an American-made motorcycle, because you can let those American Eagles screech. America! Fuck yeah! I love it! I'm loving it. Oh, buddy. Yeah, this right here is one of my favorite little back roads. It's got a couple of good curves in it, nothing too extreme, but the people on this road probably hate me because I come down this road probably twice a week. Here we go. Sometimes I get nervous. Wow. Still fun on the back roads. Not too big, not too small. You gotta watch out on this road because they'll be building a house up here, and they'll throw some dirt in the road and play with you sometimes, just for fun, I guess. And sometimes there's people walking up and down this road just for exercise. And sometimes I frighten them. Oh, wow. That's it. Dogs! I thought the dogs was going to run after me. I thought I was going to hit it. What's the best thing to do when a dog runs out in front of you? I've always was gonna keep it going straight and run, just see if I can either outrun the dog or just keep on going straight, and hopefully I go through the dog and don't die. That's just always been my strategy with dealing with dogs, especially small ones like that. A little Chihuahua, shoot. Little Chihuahua ain't no match for the Sportster. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Little dog running out in front of me. Shoot. Yeah, I don't want to go down that road, and I don't want to go down this road. So I'm going down this road. This is amazing picturesque scenery right here. This is Mississippi for you. Just a tunnel of trees and cool air on this 80 degree day. Did someone just hit my leg? Yesterday was Easter. I was riding in my Crocs. Crocs with no socks and no gloves. Don't get mad at me for not wearing gloves, because I think I lost them, because I think I sat them on my back seat in the little handle deal, and then I think I went on where I was like at a store maybe and put them on the back seat, and then I come back and I don't think anybody would steal them, but I think they went missing after that. I think I rode off with them. They're probably on the side of the road somewhere, if I had to guess. But I'm about to pull over and end the video right about here at the church. I always like to end and start videos at churches, because during the weekday and Saturdays, a lot of times there's nobody at them, and nobody really questions you at churches unless you like vandalize stuff. So it's just a good old place to be. But yep, that's gonna be it for the video, and I'll see you on the next one.